everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm sharing some happy mail that I received as well as a prize winning. The first one is from Paper Confessions with Cara Mia. I entered her challenge and she sent me over a thank you card, and on the inside she shared these super cute stickers as well as these journaling cards. Thank you so much for that, Cara Mia. That was not necessary. I will link her channel down below. The next is a prize that I have won from Ginger Plans Crafts Beauty. I will also link her channel down below. She did a giveaway and I won the paper crafting prize. I've cut it open, but let's see what's inside. It's busting at the seams. The first thing is this set of Bow Bunny Butterfly Kisses stamp set. That's cute. And we have this butterfly stamp set. This is from Hampton Arts. We have this stamp set from the dollar store. This is from My Mind's Eye Splendor. That's cute. That's like one of the drawer handles. And we have this set of bubble speech stickers. This is some rub-on, adhesive rub-ons for glitter. Comes with the sticky paper and the glitter to make these. This is cute. That will be fun to create. And we have these coffee magnets. I just purchased the Echo Park coffee bean collection, so I'll be adding this to that in case I end up doing a swap. And then we have these super cute Christmas clips. This will be fun for the holidays. We have this stamp and what looks like a little die up there. A stamp and die set. And I think this is the Joann's brand. That's cute. We have this layered stamp set. The camera. I didn't pick this up when I saw it at Tuesday morning. I don't think I've ever seen it that cheap though. This is a fun stamp set to have. And this is a coloring book with stamps. This looks like it may have been, oh yeah, it's from a card magazine. That's cool. That's great. And then we have an embossing tool. And then this looks like a little planner kit. Let's see what's inside. There's some ephemera, some cute clips, some buttons, and this looks like some post-it notes. That's cute. So it says this and that. And then we have the cute typewriter die with the stamp set. I don't have this one. She sent a fancy pen, which I love. I love, love, love pens. That's very nice. And then we have another pen. And her and I swapped. It's been a while. And she sent me a bunch of fancy pens, and I've already used two completely. They actually ran out of ink. She shared this Adore stamp. Looks like we have some Project Life cards, a couple of sets of those, and this roll of washi tape, these super cute clips, this set of washi stickers, this cute stamp set of these girls, some jewels. They're the shape of flowers. We have some sequin. And then we have some planner post-it notes. Those are very pretty colors. This was a great prize. Ginger, thank you so much for this wonderful prize giveaway. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.